Planning a home renovation but wondering how to finance it? What type of loans are out there? Stay tuned as we answer all your loan questions. Hi, I'm Vanessa, a loan officer here in the Portland metro area. If you desire to remodel your home but feeling overwhelmed by the financial side of things, you're in the right place. Today we'll tackle the most common questions that I get about loans. Let's start with the question I get the most. Can I keep my current mortgage and do a renovation loan? If you'd like to keep the current loan that you have today, you probably want to do that because your interest rate is very good. You can do a home equity loan, which is a second mortgage. You can also usually obtain a loan up to 90% of the current value. As an example, if current value is $800,000 and your first mortgage balance is $500,000, which is what you owe on your home today, you may be able to pull out $220,000. When you add the $500 balance of the first and the $220, the combined loan is $720, which is 90% of the $800,000 as-is value. The interest rate on the second mortgage is usually tied to prime, so it's going to fluctuate, or it will be locked at a rate that is higher than the current rate that is going and available on first mortgages today. What if I need more than $250,000 for my renovation? The home equity loan option gives you access to 90% of the current home value. But if you need more funds, then a renovation loan will help you tap into the future value, the after completed value. In the same example of a current loan balance of $500,000, should the after improved value after the work is done come in at $1 million, you would have $400,000 to use for renovations. Reason is that you can now borrow up to 90% of $1 million, which is the after improved value. Can you finance cosmetic type repairs on a home, such as a brand new kitchen, when the current kitchen is in great working order? Absolutely. A renovation loan can cover any repairs that you would like to make. Repairs that are simply cosmetic do qualify. So do repairs that need to be made, such as adding square footage to a home, even adding a second level to your single level home. We can even finance a home that has damage, such as foundation work and structural work that might need to be done, such as replacing load-bearing walls and maybe a brand new roof. Can I do my own work? I have friends who will help me for free, and I want to save as much money as possible. If you choose a home equity loan, you can receive the money as soon as the loan funds, and then you can use that money to pay for your work. If you choose a renovation loan, all the work will need to be completed by a licensed and bonded contractor. There is no self-help available. Can I do a renovation loan if I only need a small amount, such as 34 repairs? You sure can. There's really not a minimum amount. I've personally funded renovation loans where the cost of work is $5,000. all the way up to $2 million. Now that you have a better understanding of the options to finance your home remodel, would you like more information on renovating your home? Check this video out to walk you through what a renovation loan is. Continue to inform yourself and make sure to subscribe to this channel for more educational content from the experts on home remodeling.